Hello everyone, and welcome to day 57. We're back working on fish game. We're gonna try to improve once again our bubble system or whatever. We're gonna maybe add a new ability for the salmon fish. And yeah, I want to make the bubble disappearing just a bit better today. I can make the music quieter already. I think that should be fine around there. Yeah, I think. Alright. So, last time we only worked on the bubble appearing a bit better. I'm also kind of sick. I don't know if I'm sick, but like my voice isn't doing too well, so I might not speak as much or as loud today. But I'm still streaming and I didn't even get a space. Yeah, I want to disable the fish spawning if we don't have a level 1 nest here, since yeah, that should just be by default. Fish shouldn't be able to spawn if you don't have a level 1 nest there, at least. So yeah, we got that. Now clownfish, come here. Hello Leo, and yeah, hello Bosch, and hello everyone who's joining in. Okay, clownfish level 3 orange scroll, that's very good. So now if the clownfish spawns a token for us, you guys will be able to see what we did last stream, if you weren't in the last stream. What is this new YouTube goal thing? Start a goal. Make super chat more fun with a goal. Set a goal to engage with your audience in a new way. Once you reach your goal, celebrate with your community. This is basically just money hungry feature. So yeah, we have these bubbles that get smaller, and yeah, that's basically all. Right now their spawning rate is really up. They're gonna be like a very, very, very small percent chance, but they give you tool heads right now. And I ran out of air. You really sound sick? Well, there's nothing I can do about it. It's because I am. Oh, and yeah, I want to work on the disappearing, because right now it just disappears, you know. Last stream we tried doing making it go up, but Yeah, I'm not sure about that now. I mean, let's try it, and then if it doesn't look good, drink water. I have water. It's not gonna help me. See, it didn't help. It's the way I am today. I don't know how you're getting sick this often when you're drinking gallons of water per day. I don't know. But yeah, my holiday just started. So hopefully more streams soon. I really want to do daily streams, but if I'm gonna be this sick, I'm not gonna be able to do daily streams. But I'll try, even if I am sick. So, right, we had this tween. We had this one tween that will tween it like up. So it just tweens it up 10 blocks. And then waits for the tween to finish. Okay, let's see how it looked. There might be some changes I have to make. Also, when I'll make the thing that fish can't spawn without. Nest tier 1. I mean, any fish would really work. Okay, I'll just get any fish. I don't really care. Very slow salmon fish. 2.2 speed, crazy. That's very slow. Okay, get over here. Also, how is the Roblox event or whatever, the Christmas thing? How's that going on? Because like, I haven't watched a single thing. Alright, let's see how it's gonna disappear. Wait for it to get smaller. Yeah, it does that infinitely. Because nil with dot completed. I'm so tired of typing out replicator storage get service that I'm downloading my mouse software right now to make a macro for this. Wow. Make a skill tree level when your fishing net becomes bigger so it's easier to catch. Yeah, I had that planned, but I just haven't gotten around to doing that yet, since I'm gonna maybe in the 60s streams, so like from 60 to 70, maybe I'll probably make that, but I don't think right now. So yeah, why does this not work? New tween not completed. Wait, is this not how you wait for the tween to complete? I swear this was how you wait for a tween to complete. No. What does the scan collect? Oh, and then it doesn't tween. Okay. You need to play it in a different line for the event to appear. Local tween service create, tween play. Well, local tween service create, tween play. Oh wow, why does that matter? New tween play. This would be just making the second Squid Game movie. Yeah, I saw that too. I watched the first episode, which is on like YouTube. I'm definitely not gonna watch all of them since I can't be bothered to go on like a Prime or whatever series, or I don't know what that is, where to even watch it. Yeah, I can't be bothered to watch it on there, so I guess I'm just not gonna know who the winner is. Oh my god, I forgot to do the thing again. Okay, I really need to make. Okay, right now I'm gonna make the thing that doesn't spawn the fish if you don't have a fish nest here. Okay, so let me go in the fish module, right? No, in the collect module. It's gonna be the collect module. Do I have that open? I don't think so, no. So let me find that, the script where we handle collecting. Yeah, I really need to organize. I'm gonna do that. I promise I will organize. Also, Beastmas release. Beastmas in 1 year is crazy. 2 Beastmases? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I'm even gonna play that. Script, upgrade tree, auction fish stuff, equip stuff, collect seagrass. I know it's not. Okay, so let me just search for fish. Right here, create fish. So if there is a nest folder, this checks if there's a nest folder. Hello Baja, welcome to the stream. TDX also updated. Yeah, I saw that too. I haven't checked out the update though. Okay, so this only checks if the player has a nest claim. So then I also need to check if the nest folder is 1 or higher, right? I have done that code somewhere already. I can be here for 5 seconds. I gotta cook some food. Alright, Baja, go cook some food. Baja, why did you DM me? Okay. It's time to go in my claim that script, right? Yes or no? Yes, I think. So this gets all fish slots. I need to, yeah, nest tier. This gets the nest tier. So I need to basically do this and then check if nest tier is higher. Okay. If nest tier equals 0, I mean, is lower or equals 0, that, I mean, it can't be lower. What am I doing? Just equals 0, then return end. I think that's gonna be better, right? That's how I do it. Also need upgrade tree module. Oh, then return, right? Then return, I'll do it in this line. Then return end, right? Then I can do the same for, wait, no, then I can just put the script over here. If the player has claimed the nest, then spawn the fish. Basically. And then I need to get the upgrade tree module, which should be pretty simple. I just do this. You know what? I might make a whole function just to get the player nest tier, actually. So, because I have like module, wait, where is this? Module scripts. I have a get player, oh my god, what is that? I have a get player stat module. I only have a get max oxygen right now. So what if I just make a extra function to get player, get nest tier. So then I can just get the nest here. Then I can basically just do all of this in here and return nest here. Right? I don't need upgrade. Oh, wait, I upgrade tree stats. Oh, right. Yeah, I do need that. So then, do I have get player stat? No. That. So I have get player stat, right? Then I don't need upgrade tree module. Local nest tier equals get player stat dot get nest tier, and then we want to give over the info of upgrade. Oh, upgrade. Do I not have upgrade tree stats? Right. How can I get the upgrade tree stats now? I had them though. Oh, no. Wait, no, I don't need upgrade tree stat. No, I do need upgrade tree stat for this. Okay, I guess I'll just then... Oh, right, I should be able to do... What was it? Profiles? Profiles. Okay, let me go to the place where I had claim nest. And then I get this by doing profiles, player. Right. I'll just do, what is this here? Upgrade tree stats. Right. And now I can do the same here. I can change this whole thing out. And then I just need get player stat. And now this code got a lot smaller. That's great. Alright, we got... So now I don't think a single fish should spawn. Where was this? It was right here. Right? If nest tier is 0, it's just gonna return end. And now... Yeah. So... Let's try to collect... Without a nest claimed, nothing spawns. If we do claim a nest, nothing still spawns. That means we need to go back and get at least tier 1 so fish can spawn. Great. All right, let's get the fastest clownfish. Sketching mini game. Win battle axe. I don't know. I haven't looked into it very much and how it would like fit the game. Like it just requires a lot of time, I feel like, for me. Okay, this software stinks. The what was it? Mouse software, right? It only types the letter I instead of get surface. Wow. Right, let's see if it now floats up. Right, it's getting smaller. Smaller. It didn't wait at all for the tween to finish. Huh? That had nothing inside of it even. Okay, wait 1 second. So this right here, it doesn't wait for the tween not completed. Like, did it wait 3 seconds? No, that wasn't 3 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna print when this waiting starts and print after it completes. So we can see if it actually waits. I should also enable saving so I don't need to do this every time. Can control B controls. Oh. Yeah, that's the barrage. I feel like, yeah, that would just be a bit more simpler for you. Alright, salmon fish. You guys don't understand nothing. I mean, you said I'm tired of typing out replicated storage get service. So instead of just typing out, you can control C, control V, no. Okay, let's see it go up. I think it starts going up, but it gets destroyed. No, it just doesn't wait. Oh, that was a katana. You can barely see the katana, it's so thin. Like, the tween instantly ends. I copy paste other stuff too, plus I'm going into a text document to copy the stupid get service every time. I boot up my PC, stupid. Okay, so it very much did not wait a minute at all. I mean 3 seconds. Duration time in seconds, right? It did not wait. I play the tween, I wait for the tween to complete, but instantly. Maybe this runs a couple times, cause A printed twice. It printed around the same time too. So what if this just activated twice, so that broke everything? No? Could that not be the case? It's like new position dot change. What if I just add I need to somehow disconnect this, I think. Yeah, that will probably be best. So I will call this bubble moving function. And then I will just do if bubble moving function, then bubble moving function disconnect. And then I'll add the same to here, and then I'll disable the can collect. Wait. can't collect is kind of important to know. No, I don't need the can't collect then. Yeah, I just disabled that. Okay. Let's see if this works or helps at all. Oh, alright. Nothing spawns if I don't have it upgraded. All these ones. So I'm gonna get clownfish. And clownfish kind of works, I guess. Alright. Level 1 orange coral. Amazing. Alright, now we wait. Do you have plans for increasing the net slots? Like nest? Well, of course, yeah. Nest slots, more than 5, definitely. Kinda like froze up. No? Froze up, where did those 5 seconds disappear? I mean, where those 3 seconds disappeared? I mean, at least they're not disappearing early now. That's something. But they're not moving up, they're just freezing. Right, like look at this. It's just gonna print A, freezes. Like the tween doesn't happen. Why is that the case? Right, let me go to here. Maybe because this tween is playing, so I can do like local base tween, and then I can do base tween equals this, and then base tween play, and then here I disconnect. Base tween disconnect. Can you disconnect tweens like this? Yeah, I feel like this tween might be interfering with the movement of this tween. So if I disable this, I can disable it here too. That might just help. Yeah, let's get a fast fish salmon. This fast salmon should do the trick. Okay. And this katana bubble. No, it just still freezes. Oh, because disconnect is not a valid member of tween. Okay, how do you? Is it stop? Okay, wait. How studio how to disconnect a tween? Is it just like stop? Cancel, pause? Looks like tweens have pause and cancel. Right. The hell is he doing? I'm stopping tween, so it's cancel? Does cancel bring it back to its position? I should probably then pause. Pause. Rather. Okay, I'm probably gonna enable data saving, because this is getting annoying doing this every single time. Okay, I won't interrupt your thinking. Okay. Okay, boys. I actually want like a non-clownfish fish. Angel will do. Alright. Now, this angelfish. You go up, right? With the bubble. Yes, spawn the bubble. Now, bubble will go up, right? It still it still stops in place. Like new tween service, create. This tween doesn't play. It waits for it to complete, but it doesn't play. Oh, wait a second. Because I'm tweening the value. I'm using the same kind of tween as this. So what if... Oh. This. This plays once. So I pause this. Right. I pause this and then this new tween. Enum using style. It doesn't work because I disconnected. Right. Because like I disconnected this function. That means it doesn't work anymore. Ah, okay, I got it. So that means I don't need to disconnect this. That means no disconnecting, just stopping the base tween. And then I need to crab. Hello, I'll ask A. So I don't need these anymore. Then basically this can wait. This won't play anymore. This stops. That means this new tween, then I need to stop it. So I need to do check if base tween. Okay, I need to check if tween is playing. I can do, I think, and base tween the place read or only property that shows the current state. Playback state, isn't it? Yes, it's playback state equals enum the playback state the paused. So if it's playing, then I do that, and I can also add the same thing to this if it's still playing, because then it pauses and then it's not playing. Right, this should work. I have complete faith that this will work. Alright. Imagine I'm doing all this and then it just doesn't look good. So I did this all for nothing. That would be interesting. Alright, salmon fish. Right. Alright, we need to just wait for this to disappear now. And yeah, it moves up and then it just disappears, right? And then I can't catch it anymore if I jump towards it. I can't catch it while it's kind of small, but when it starts moving up, I can't catch it anymore. Honestly, this is better than it just disappearing. What if it's while it's moving up, I also continue to make the size smaller? So then you can't see it anymore. But I mean, that's just better than it just disappearing. So then it like kinda moves up, disappears. Okay, yeah, I like that a bit more. Let me look into its size thing again. Yeah, this is scale. Scale to scale. Alright, it only scales up to 0.5. Alright. I'm not sure if I want to mess with the scaling. I mean, maybe for now I'll just leave it, since it's still a bit better, and then I can change it in the future if I do want to. Yeah, I guess I will then just leave it. Alright, and then that's that done. So now that we got that done, I think next up we can start working on like a new ability. I was thinking for finally maybe an ability for a salmon fish. have been really wanting to make a salmonfish ability for a while now. So I have a couple salmonfish ideas written down. Stream looks really laggy for some reason. Is that just me? Hopefully not. Wait, hopefully it is just for me. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, because it looks kind of fine. Okay. So now I have like 4, I would say, salmonfish ideas. So one where it increases the speed of all basic tier fish. Right now, can't really work on that because I don't have more basic tier fish. Then we have another one where it has the ability to find tool bodies with a higher chance, which I think we could work on, honestly, since we have the tool heads already appearing done. I also need to think of a way for the player to obtain tool bodies. Maybe I'll just make it quests and stuff like that, and then some tool heads can be found by like finding, you know, while the fish is collecting. So I think I will work on that kind of ability. So I mean, trait, it's now called trait. I had to change all the names. I feel like trait fits a bit more than ability, since it's not just gonna be like a spawns a token, but it's more like traits. So yeah, it's called traits now, and I think I will leave it as traits. So we can start with setting up. Yes, I'll close some of these. Nest, equip, stuff only need, local bubble handle. I mean, probably gonna need that, but that's for the future. Alright. So if I go into fish info module, we have trait amount. I also wanted to do one thing where we can set like the color, so I might just do that first. So like we have a primary trait color and then secondary trait color. So I'll do trait 1 primary color. Is that how you type color? It's really weird because like, how do you type color? Because like some of them is like color, some of them is like with a U. I think it's just with O. Okay, never mind then. Trait 1 primary color equals, I need to get the, where was this? I think I have in replicated storage, then I have copy dialog. I mean copy GUI. Why am I seeing dialog? Fish trait GUI and then trait holder. So we have trait holder 2, which is this color 3.new, which is this. I mean color 3 dot from RGB makes that color. Then we have trait 1 secondary color. Secondary color is this lighter one. Bit different. But yeah, that's basically setting those. So now I need to go into change UI, and wherever the fish info is, where we create all the GUI. This is the trait one. So where do we create it? We have trait, frame, trait. We want to set the color of the frame itself, right? So new trait info GUI dot background color 3 equals we want to do fish info trait 1, which is primary color, I think. Oh, what happened to my mouse? Primary color. And then we also have the trait frame color. Okay, I'm gonna need to go through all of these. So we have the trait holder itself. Then we have the trait frame that we need to set. Dot trait frame dot background color 3. Then we have the trait description, trait level 2, and then the trait name. So I should be able to set these two first of all. The background color 3, right? To the secondary color, actually. Secondary. Right, and then that sets it to both the name and description. And then we still have this, which goes through every single one of those. So we have to do this. Dot trait, the trait ability level dot background color 3 equals the secondary color, right? All right, and then that should set all the colors for the main thing, I think. So that's that. I don't think I'll do anything more than just that base thing for now. Well, we can start setting in the values for the first ability. So trait amount 1, trait. So we have trait primary color, trait secondary color. So the name of the trait is precise sniffer. Trait 1 max level, just gonna be 1. I don't think I have a frame made for 1. Then the description will be, I have it here. Just basic description for now. You can find 2 bodies and heads with a higher chance. And then we only need really 1 trait 1 level 1 chance. We don't need a level. If there's only 1 max level, I think then I'll make it so they're like, we don't need the level 1 chance. Then yeah, I think so. Then trait 1 level And then we don't need a level 1 description too, since I mean I might make more levels for this, but for now I feel like I'll just make it as in there's it's like this. Okay, so that's all the info we really need. Yeah, we're gonna have to make the GUI too, since right now if I hit play it's gonna throw an error that the GUI doesn't exist. Yeah, the trade holder 1 is not a valid member, so I have to go make that GUI now. Alright, if we open up our main GUI, inventory to visible, then we go into fish index page. I mean, I didn't have to make these actually visible. I can just bring fish index page holder. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, I can just bring this out. Right, and then this to visible, and then this to invisible, and then I need to put this number 2 in here, not in here, but in here. No. Never mind, this is not it. Because I need to get the fish thing first. Fish. I'm just gonna... You know what? Wait. Let me bring this back in here. And then I'll copy rather. Okay, I first need to copy the fish info holder. Put this in here. This is the base. And then I can copy trade holder and in here where fish trade holder is, put this in here. Right. Now I can finally work on this thing itself. So, if it's like a 1 ability, I think I need to, we can just remove, this and this. And then we need to make sure that this is still 17 and 43. We need to remember 17, 43. So we then increase this 17, 43. I'll write it down, 17, 43. Okay. And I'll start increasing the size of this to try and get correct. I think it's still gonna need to be like, if I make this a bit smaller, this needs to be 43 pixels. Around 43, I said. So 5, 6 is the size that it needs to take up. And then it can be positioned at around here. And then hopefully the ability name also fits. So this needed to be 17. So I need to increase it until it's 17. Oh, it just locks in. I need to do like this more. Okay, we got the 17. Now just position it well. Honestly, I kind of got it very well. It could maybe be a couple pixels smaller, I think. Like if I copy this and paste it in here, it's like, yeah, the spaces are a bit smaller, so I can still work on this being a bit smaller. So 5/8 maybe size. And then this needs to be a bit bigger now for it to be 17. And then 43. Alright, this is now 43. Then I can move this a bit up. So around there, and move this a bit up. Do around. I mean a bit more. Yeah, I feel like this kind of is good enough. Maybe 1 down for the ability. So like more like that. And then we can do even 1 down here. So both are 7. Oh, that's size. Oh wait, this needed to be 43, so this has to be like this. So then move it down. Honestly, that looks pretty well. Yeah. Okay, now I can rename this to trait holder 1. Even though, wait a second. I changed the size of the wrong thing. Wow. So I probably need to redo everything now, since this needs to be like this. So I was supposed to change the size of this main thing, not this frame. And this messes up a lot of things. Okay, I guess. Let's do that once again. because of my big stupidity. $17.43. Wait, let me try and salvage it. Maybe could I maybe? Okay, this is the size of 9.4. So if I make that 9.4 and then just make this smaller, maybe. Okay, why is that not working out? Right, now that's like that, and then if I just scale this now to when this gets to 17.43, so this needs to be a bit bigger now. Still a bit bigger. I scaled the wrong thing again. That's really annoying. Right. 41, so still a bit more. 43.17. Okay, I actually salvaged it. Okay. That's good to hear. Yeah, I guess it looks kind of well. $17.43. All right. Now I can put this back. Trade holder 1. Then I can delete this and we can put everything back. Which one was this? Yes. Put this back in here. Then we want to make this. And then this visible. This invisible. Great. Alright, now no errors. What? There's an error. Trait level 1 is not a valid member. Oh, trait level 1. Ah, that's what it's looking for. So pay line 449. So I think here I need to just Harja has joined the chat. Hello Harja. Welcome to the stream. And then yeah, if just check if the trait max level is higher than 1, then we do this. Right now that should not error. Yeah, and this appears here. Okay, why is this way closer than that? That's gonna trigger me. Like this, there's like a line here and then like a big line here. Like a big space, I mean. Beekeepers has an update. Yeah, I played it. I streamed it. I played it, but I can't get to the new area fast enough. So yeah, it takes a lot. There's like a lot of grinding to get to that new area. I think I've done like at least 6 hours of grinding already. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna even make a video on it anymore, since the hype kind of died down. But yeah, why? I need to check. Let me go in. Can I just like actually do this? This. Right. And then I'll copy this, paste it here. And then in the second one, fish traits. This one, instead of doing that, I'll get number 2. Yeah, number 2 is way more up. Oh. Because this is supposed to be like that, but this here, no, it's like the same. What? These two things have the same position coordinates. Anchor point 1, anchor point 1. Like, these are exactly the same. Why is this one closer? Maybe it's problem in this. Oh, because I made that smaller, the gap got smaller. What will be the name of this game? Honestly, I might just call it Fish Game, since that's what I've been calling it mostly. Yeah, I mean, that could just kind of be funny. Yeah, I think I'll do Fish Game, because it's a game about fish. Okay, like, isn't it also a problem with the trait holder 3 then? If I change, I need to add another one then. Number 3. I need trait number 3. Yeah, it's also a bit smaller. Okay, just not as noticeable because it's not as big. That's a big problem, because I need to fix it on all 3 of them. So how do I fix? I think like a BSS expired game. What do you inspired, you mean? Yeah, this is very heavily inspired by Bee Swarm Simulator. Like, there's like this is closer to this than this is, and this is closer than this is. Like, the gap. I think if like obviously I need to put this more down. But then if I put it more down, I think then I need to keep the same gap between here. And like, I can't see the gap because of that one button. Like, there's like a this where it doesn't show me it. So at this point, like, all I need is just to do the same gap. Like, the only size different is this. This is the only thing that changes in size. Which, based on how much this changes... Okay, what if I position this to have a gap? Yes. If I position this to have a gap, then all of them can have the same gap. Add ability like BSS. Hello Thomas Tom. Hello Maxwell the cat. You play Ant Simulator 2 more or no? No, I haven't played it ever since I made that one video. Okay, then I need to get rid of this gap here. Even though... Okay, then I need to make this the full size. Which means everything, all the positioning gets out of hand again. But then that means I need to make this a bit smaller, so... Yeah. Around that kind of big of a gap. Even though it should be more like that, so a bit more, I think. Okay, that's too much. I think that's still too much. Yeah, I think that's pretty great now. Alright, so that's gonna have the same gap. Alright, I think that's pretty great now, but all of this size is off. It's like... Yeah, it's not the same anymore. Like, this is a bit too big now. So I need to change this around there. Then that middle part is way too big. Oh my god. All of this is just off now. At least the gap will be the same. How is your 142nd subscriber? Oh, really? That's crazy. Well, thanks for staying here for a while. I guess that was like 2 or 3 years ago now. A very long time. Okay, so let's say we put, and I'm just gonna resize these now. This can be a bit smaller now, even though, wait, let me change this back to how it was and then just make this smaller. To where they are both like this again. Yes, amazing. Even though this here is way too small now. I need to put, no, not this. I need to put this back to 4. 2 around where it's the same, okay. I'm gonna go play Pressure, wish me luck. Alright, Maxwell the cat. Good luck. I was 10 years old, wow. Okay. We have, I think, the first one good. Sorted. Alright, I'll put this back. I can delete these. And I need to put the second one in here now. And once again, I need to change the size of this to 1. And then make sure that this gets a bit smaller. I need to decrease the size until trait description is 43 and the name is 17. Yeah, that's great now. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. I can't be bothered right now to do more UI things. So then that's good, and then we need number 3. So now I increase the size to this to be 1, and then I need to make this to at least 43 then, to where this is 43 and this is 17. Great. Right, put this back. I know your age around 14 to 15. Yes, that is very correct. I literally did a stream on my 15th birthday. That was like 4 months ago now. 5 months ago? I don't know how long ago that was. Okay, now I need to just change out this to the new one and delete the old one. Alright, now the placement should be way better. Make this invisible, this visible, and we place it back here and make it visible. Right, that's great. Now it should look fine. Right? Yeah, it's the same size now. I mean, text is kind of small, but I can't really have it way bigger. Probably gonna be a bit bigger on your like a full screen, but not sure about mobile. How they're gonna read the small text. I think it'll be fine. What should I buy in the pre-run shop? Med or lantern? Try med. I think. I don't know. I recommend, I guess. More use than a lantern, probably. Alright, now I need to change out the color of this fish info module. So I need to make up a color. What would that ability, what would this precise sniffer ability, I mean trait, I need to get used to calling it trait. What color do I associate with it with? Let me look up. I think I want to do like more gray. Not gray, like beige color? No, not beige. I don't know how it's called. Like, kind of. Is it more like skin color? No, it's not like skin color. Let me just get the color of the salmon fish. If I head over to server storage, fish modules, salmon fish, it's like light orange, I guess. What? So if I make this the base, then this but lighter can just be the secondary. Okay, let's see how that looks. Interesting. Maybe the dark a bit darker and the light a bit darker. Hello Hardjot Gaming, welcome to the stream. I'd say yeah, a bit more the dark, a bit more darker, I'd say. And then maybe a bit more this. And then the light, just the lighter version of this more. Okay, let's try this. No, let me try. How do I get the color of that pixel? If I can do the, if I go to my pixel art thing and I load in that, import that pixel. Okay, I need to find salmon and then color picker. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be way better. So red is 219, then green is 207, and then finally blue is 176, I mean. And then for this, let me try this color, which is 199, 188, and was that 1 or 6? Is that a 1 or a 6? I think that's a... What? I cannot see if that is a... I'm just gonna copy. Wait. That was a 6. Okay. Not an 8. How much data do you store in those tables? A lot? What do you mean? What tables? Okay, now... Okay, the light color looks okay. The dark color... I think I need to switch them. Right. Let me switch them. But yeah, hello, the poll. Welcome to the stream. Alright, I switched the colors. Once again, the light could be lighter. I feel like fish info module tables, or that this isn't really that much, I would say right now. Can I get door 15? I found chain. Nice. Wait, is it primary? Yeah, primary is the lighter one. Okay. Why do you need so much info for a simple GUI? This isn't... Okay, this is just... This is just GUI, but... Oh! No. Not that. Because there's like a bunch of abilities and like different things. Every single value means something. So why is the primary... Okay, primary needs to be like this. Oh, primary is darker. Okay, primary is darker. And then secondary is lighter. Primary darker, secondary lighter. Okay, this still looks terrible. I think light is too light and dark is too light. Like just this. The light is bad. Why is the light too dark? I think I said it the wrong way again. Yeah, this needs to be lighter and this needs to be darker. Okay, let's try this. Maybe both just a bit lighter. I'll try that. I found the imaginary friend. What's the imaginary friend? Okay, both a bit lighter. Yeah, that's kind of difficult to read now. I think the light one needs to be a bit less light. Let's hope now they don't blend together. Okay, that's a bit better. Maybe I'll make the dark just a bit darker and that's it. Just a tiny bit. The red thing, I don't know anything about pressure too much. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I got my chair, my squeaky chair. I think I'll just leave it like this, cause I'm tired of playing around with colors. The red thing there, I don't know what it is. I still want to mess around with them, but no, I have to leave it. Okay, now that's the main UI done. Okay, now over to the functional side of things. Always the scarier part. I need to somehow in fish module where we set all the abilities. Oh wait, fish module, fish law equals fish law, right? Collects until ability. No, this isn't that place. I need to open up my fish script, fish stuff. This is where we set the type, the swim speed, the trait 1 level. This. I set it from the wild fish info trait 1 level. But how do we know which trait? Oh wait, because that's trait 1. It has 1 trait. I think I need to really remake all the functional side of setting traits for fish. I think I wanted to do that. Let me go to wild fish stuff. Where's wild fish module? Where we set trait 1 level. Yeah, all this just doesn't cut it, all this little bit. Okay, we need to remake all of this now, so I think I will store traits as a table. Oh god, I found Pandy Door 26. I don't know what that is. I haven't played pressure in so long. Yeah, I might store traits in a table rather. Okay, I'll make a new local fish traits equals the table, and we set it to fish traits, and then cause like fish info. So we need to go through all the fish traits, how many it has. So for I equals 1, I need to first of all, I need to check if it has a single trait. So where is the fish info? Fish info dot trait amount is higher or equals 1, then we can do this. Or I equals 1, and then we go into trait amount, do, and then we want to go through the fish trait 1 level 1 chance. Basically, yeah. So instead of doing then I need to do no, I don't need to check if there's a chance. I need to do some randomness now to determine what traits the wild fish will have, right? So now the randomness, for the randomness part, I think I want to do randomness based on chance rather than numbers. And by that I mean like 10% instead of 1 in 10. Even though like 1 in 10 is way easier to understand these days. But I don't think I'm gonna get into the things that really like go below 1%. I don't think I'm gonna have many like traits that will go below 1%. Maybe like a couple, but yeah, I think percentage wise it will be enough, because I mean I can still do 0.1%. It gets really bad when with percentages when you get into like 0.0001%, since that is like not understandable how much it is. Like 0.1% understandable, 1 in 1,000 for chance. All right. So I need to get a pretty good percentage chance random system. So I'll try to look for one and like ideas on how to make one. Percentage chance system. So I basically need like a table of all the things with their chance, which I can add pretty easily. Hmm. Okay. I already had like 1 in 10 like number random system for my RNG game that I made in like a couple days. So I might just reuse that, uh like change those numbers into like a chance system. So like yeah. Because I think I liked it even for Big EI, that random that random system I had. So yes, I will go in and find it now. Yeah, I'll hop on the RNG game, I think, and look at the RNG system there. Okay, so this here, I need to do, oh god, where was the script in here? Did I have like a module for it? Yeah, I think. Yeah, because then I can have like luck. Yeah, this is a good system, yeah, that I had. So I'll basically bring it here so you guys can see a little bit. Here, I had this like function here, function rolling roll. So basically it gets the luck, and then it has the rarest roll. So this is basically like the common, the worst thing the player can get. I set it to the worst thing. So this would be 0, because oh man, I died. Rip. Guess you have to try again. And then it goes through all of them that can have. So I'll make a table. And then if, yeah, this is a bunch of like math that I used to understand, but I need to look it up into again. And then it sets the rarest roll into that one, and it returns the rarest roll. This is like pretty simple, bare bones. I feel like luck system, which I can and will use, I think, now. But I will watch stream next time. All right, Maxwell the cat, then. Thanks for joining in. So I don't need to check any of this, so because my battery is low. All right, go charge your phone or tablet or whatever you have. Okay, so first of all, local luck equals 1. Right now, I'm not going to be working with luck. Later on, I can increase the luck if I want to, but I'll just keep it at 1. And then local rarest level equals 1. Okay, first of all, before I roll for levels, I need to just because like I want the player to be able to have a chance of having like multiple traits on one fish. So I think instead of adding rarest level, I think I will add a rolled traits thing, which means these are all the traits that like that the fish will have. So basically fish traits. I don't need to make a new thing then. So basically just the fish traits. So I don't need this then. I have the fish traits, so rare roll taken care of. And then all of this. I'll just get this over here so I can read it a bit easier. And then we don't even need this anymore. So for info, so this goes through all the info in one. Okay, so I still need all the rollable traits, right? So I still need to take care of that. So I need all the traits. So trait amount, basically that's the trait amount. But I need to have, yeah, okay, let's say. So I'm already going for I. Put the luck here then. So this I does go through all the traits. So basically this is also taken care of. And then if random okay, now all of this random, not new, next integer. So basically from 1 to, okay, so now this is the chance. I need to put in the chance here. So the chance, do I have fish info module? Fish info module, I do have it. So fish info module, no, just I have fish info already. Just fish info dot, no, then I go to I need to add like a new value for a chance for every single trait. So trait 1 chance, so that's how what chance it has to appear, that trait. Basically, so I'll put the chance at, okay, let's say 2, let's say 1 for now, just that makes it 100%. So then it's gonna look for trait I, what was it, chance basically, and then I don't think I need to do this anymore, because then that will get rid of. So basically just that. So if we do roll it, that means we got lucky. Then we have to table.insert into fish traits this new trait. But if it has a multiple level, then we need to set the level to. So fish traits or just table.insert fish traits. We want to insert I, since this is the first trait. But then I need to check. Okay. I need to check if there is no trait level, so fish info trait I max level, was it equals 1, I think. So if max level is 1, then I just insert it, right? If not, I need to do another random rolling thing. Okay. Then I just insert it. The I and else. So if it's not just max level 1, then we need to do another random thing. I need to get okay, now I need to get local best level. I mean, okay, just do trait level equals 1. That's the default. Then we need to do all of this, and then we also need to make sure to check this and that. So now if random, instead of doing fish info trait 1 chance, we need to do trait 1 level 1 chance, right? If it has multiple levels. So like this, for example, trait 1 level. So I need to go through all the max levels now. Trait 1 max level. Right? Yes. So for I equals 1. And then so level, I'll name this. For level equals 1. And then we do fish info trait I max level. Oh god. The counting is getting out of hand. Max level. Do. Then we put this in here. For I level, then it goes through every single level. So if random dot new, so then I need to get the chance, instead of the chance of the whole thing, I need to get the chance of the whole level, which means this. Right here. So I trait I level chance. Trait 1 level 1 chance. So divided by luck, and then I'll just do local level chance equals this whole monstrosity. And I'll just do level check. And then level chance. And level chance is higher than trait level. Now I need to check if the current level is higher than the trait level. Then we set trait level to level. Okay, I think that's all. What is this counting? Okay. Does everything look great now? Yeah, but after everything I still need to set, after doing this, I need to set the trait level. Right, and I still need to like table.insert it. Table.insert, and then I need to change this table.insert because I mean the max level is just 1, so I need to just do local trait stats, I think. Equals this table, and then trait index equals I, and then trait level equals 1, because 1 is the max level. Even though I shouldn't really need to do this. Yeah, I don't think I need this whole part, since even if local level is 1, then it does... No, because then... that doesn't exist. But yeah, I still don't need this, I don't think. Yeah, because then if I check local trait level, then I need to do local trait info equals a new table, trait index equals I, trait level equals to trait level. And then we table insert dot into fish traits, trait info. All right. This looks pretty great. And then I think I still need to do like a check, because if this goes through 1, yeah, I need to check if the maximum level doesn't exceed 1, is lower than 1, then we do all of this. Because if not, then the trait level will just be 1. Wait, no. If it's higher than 1, right? If it's higher than 1, then it will set to a higher level. I'm pretty sure that's gonna work. This randomness. All right. So this counting does the math to determine if the trait should appear, and then this randomness chooses the level for it. So if we go here, and let's say for the salmonfish, which has one trait, and then 1 and 1, so it's always gonna have it, and then the max level is 1. Oh my god, Baja became a member. Wow, thank you for becoming a member, Baja. You can use the fun bee emojis. Oh my god. The very fun bee emojis, you can use them now. Hello, yeah, welcome back, Baja. Alright, yes, the very fun the very fun emojis. So fish rates. All of this is just to count the fish rates. That's crazy. Okay. Can I remove this line? It was nice seeing you a day ago. Okay. Now I have like fish traits is a table with tables of trait info. So now after we catch the wild fish, we can set profiles data of the fish, and then the traits of the fish slot of the fish to wild fish info dot traits. Then we don't need this anymore. Yeah, that just sets traits to traits. Alright. Now that is done. I was at Threx. What does that mean? Yeah, let me head over to I don't have any more water, no. Okay, what did I want to do now? Right, where we check the ability. Bubble module was it? Yes, I think it's bubble module, because yeah, here, start ability. So if fish info dot type equals to, that means if it's a clownfish, then the bubble level. Then we get the bubble level by going to profiles, player data fish, traits, fish by fish slot. Then we go into number 1. No, I think then we go into. Wait, how did I set them? Yeah, I just insert them. No. Dara, the one that joined your game, lol. Oh, in Bee Swarm, right? Got it. Yeah, I remember that. How are you doing? Struggling. Don't I want to set the traits? No, I do not. So I need to check if it has the trait. So I need to go through all the traits for I trait in pairs. Then we go through all the traits, which is this. Do if trait dot index was it equals 1, then because this is the first one, then we spawn it with the bubble level, and then we can do local bubble level equals to trait dot level, was it? Trait level. Yes, that's just gonna be easier. Trait dot level. I mean, I can just do trait dot level here. Alright, and that should give over that kind of info on what I mean. It's just a lot of numbers and like counting and stuff like that. It's just slow progress, but I gotta get through it. Okay, so now we spawn the orange coral. What is the level for again? Bubble level. And that's for the for that. Okay, so now I need to just change the thing that says on the info when you click on the fish info. So I should be able to go to the client side of wild fish stuff, I think it was, and then fish slot clicked, and then if this is what to do with traits. So now we want to go for I trait in pairs, player fish, and then traits fish slot dot name do. Then we want to create a new display for each trait that the fish has. So fish trait display holder, then new fish trait display, the parent sets that, and then the trait name. Okay, now the trait name will be a bit more difficult, so let's just set the level text, and then the level text is trait.level. Level. So now for the trait name, I have the index. So based on the index, I need to set the name. So do I have fish info? Fish info. I do have fish info, right? Yeah. Then I go fish info. Then it was trait I name, trait index name, trait dot dot index dot dot name, and then the index is trait dot level. Even though, yeah, okay, trait dot level. No, trait dot index. That's the index. Now it should maybe work, but of course there's gonna be an error because there always is. So if we go ahead and start catching a fish, I'm really interested to see how my RNG system is gonna work. So if we catch any fish, right? I like this. No, we need a fish that has an ability. I want a salmon fish, honestly. Why am I getting so lucky with fish spawns? Where is a salmon fish? It's like not a single clownfish or salmon fish is spawning. I messed something up that not a single clownfish or salmonfish is spawning, and like there's very little of them. So this somewhere stops the code. I sub. Thank you, the purple bacon. I appreciate it. So this line of code somehow stops the code. If it has more traits, then oh, this stuff. Okay, I need to do some prints then. Okay, so print A, print B, print C, no, print D. All right, so I'll get like a worser toolhead that like just collects one. Wait, no. I'll get a better one to get enough seagrass to upgrade my nest, but then I'll switch it out for a wooden scoop, so I spawn one fish. Right, it's a 50% chance, okay? Okay, I'm getting unlike. Oh, I didn't upgrade it. Wait, okay, now A, it got to A. Got to A, that means it's Aran MM2 raid. Whoa, thank you for the raid, Aran MM2. Yo, I appreciate it for the raid. Whoa, yeah. Thanks for the raid, Aran MM2. Yeah, I appreciate it. Okay. Yeah. So it only hit A. That means it stopped on this randomness. And okay, let's try another fish. Let's try another fish. Right. Another A. Another A. Nothing. That probably we didn't get lucky. It spawned a fish. Wait. Did I set the wrong... trait amount is 0. And like I check if trait amount is higher or equal 1. Okay, this makes... I subbed because equal. Thank you. Don't worry about it, lol. Sorry, live, so yeah, alright. Let's just get this mace. But yeah, like, it just only gets through to the A. You can't see it behind me, right? I'm blocking the A, but it only prints A. That means it's only reaching A, and it's stopping on this line of code, on this randomness. Which, well, in theory, it should... Wait, let me just then... Instead of printing A, let me print fish info dot name, so what kind of fish we have, and then the fish info the chance, right? Right, okay. Then upgrade this. Clownfish nil. Ah. So that value is nil. That's basically the whole problem. And why is straight I chance nil? Trade I, because it doesn't exist there. I only add a trait I chance to this. So, okay, I'll make the chance of this too. So, it has a 50% chance to appear and 50% to not appear. And then this has a 100% chance to appear. Okay. Then upgrade this. And now... Okay, got unlucky with the first wing roll. So we got clownfish and with a chance of 2. But the clownfish didn't appear. That means it stopped somewhere else again. Right, it still doesn't appear. Let's say this gets unlucky and it stops. So then it should just insert fish traits as nothing, right? No? Why does it like fully stop? Like, it doesn't get over to B. Is lower or equal 1. Then we do the level thing. Let me try and print this then. Oh. Why is it erroring here? Oh, I forgot one bracket. Okay, we got another clownfish, but it didn't print the randomness at all. What? I told it to print random new integer. What? Is my random thing broken or something? Cause like I tell it to do random.new next integer. So it's supposed to generate a random number from 1. Man. Like, why is this? Tray I chance. I mean, tray I chance exists. Why is it not printing anything on line 80, even though I'm telling it to print something? Okay, that is super weird. I don't get it. Why it's not printing anything? Do I just have to change to math.random? I guess I have to. I mean, the premise is pretty much the same. Yeah, okay, I'll try math on random. Cause even though using this math.random system to just do that means I won't be able to do like 2.5, let's say. I'll just be able to do like 50, 25. And then so on. No, 50, 33, then 25. Then 20. Oh my god, my dog is barking and the mic is picking everything up. Can he just stop? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I don't know if I want to keep it that way. I mean, should be fine, maybe. Okay, let's say now. Yeah, math.random just works better. But I wonder why it wasn't just going forward with it. really weird. Okay. And yeah, now it spawns this too. Okay, let's try to catch the salmon fish now. Very slow salmon fish, actually. It's the slowest speed it can have. So it actually spawned with no fish traits. Okay, I'll keep it, but I'll try catching a new one. Cause wait, didn't salmon fish have a guaranteed chance to have one? Yeah, something's not adding up. Even though maybe it's just not showing. Yeah, it is. Oh, it is just not showing. Yeah, okay, I can fix that. So here, I need to just change this code out for the fish lock clicked. I need to change out with this here. Oh, something's not adding up. So I basically need to do wild fish stats. Right. Wild fish stats dot traits. And then just add wild in front of here. Right now that should work. Right now let's catch a clownfish. Okay, yeah, let's just catch this clownfish. Doesn't matter what speed it is. It should now show that. I still need to also change the color of that to the primary and secondary color of the fish. Ah, something errored. Fish info holder. Ah, I forgot to change the name of this too. Yeah, we change to wild. 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 And then fish info to wild fish info. Trait. Yeah, something like that. Alright. salmonfish right here. Very fast salmonfish, actually. Pretty difficult to catch. Alright, yeah, it chose precise sniffer level 1. I think I'm gonna have like a different UI for only one level. For like ability, I mean, for like traits that only have one level. For those, I think I will have a different. And I think, oh, if you keep clicking this, found a bug. Yeah. That's a pretty significant bug, I would say. That you can keep clicking. And then that errors. Alright, we're gonna fix that in just a second. I want to go to the bathroom first though, so I'll BRB. Alright, I'm back. I got some food because I'm very hungry. I haven't eaten in a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat a little bit up. Alright, now for this bug. I honestly... Let's look into it. So it happens when I click on the thing twice. Let me go to something that's new with fish caught. 170. But 53 on here. Right. Why is this erroring? Attempt next meal with fish caught. I basically do this 100. Okay, so I think what happens here is choosing wild fish isn't nil, but the fish law we clicked on is nil because it doesn't have a fish, right? Now, why is choosing wild fish not nil? I have no idea why this was not nil. I'm gonna print choosing wild fish. Right. Let's just get any fish, really. Doesn't matter, I don't think. What kind of... Oh, catch it. Though, I need to catch it. Okay, we got a clownfish. I'm gonna put it there. So it's 1. Now, close it, 1. Press on this. It errors. It doesn't set it to nil. Like, like when I catch the fish, when I choose a fish slot, right? Yeah, why is this not getting set to nil? Isn't this supposed to be nil? No, because this opens the... We need to do the thing where it closes. So this all ran, close wild fish in full frame. I think close wild fish in full frame. I need to also set choosing wild fish to nil. Yeah. Because this is only when we release it. Okay, I think now it should not error. Like what happened in the chat? There was a raid. I got raided by Aran MM2. Alright, now I don't think it should error. Let me catch the fish. Now if I click on these, it's nil. So, yeah. And I can select this as many times. Wait. Let's catch a salmon fish, actually. So yeah, it shows precise sniffer. Yeah, this still doesn't work. I think whenever I open, whenever I like click, do this, I think I want to close fish info frame. Yeah. Close fish info frame. I think when it's not nil, I'll just do this. So now, oh, error. Oh. Next nil with data. Didn't wait for it to load. What? It should always wait. Alright, let's catch this. Should I time out for spam? No, I feel like raid spam is allowed. I feel like it's not too like bad. Okay, now I click it there. And now if I click it a couple times, yeah, it doesn't do anything. That's great. Alright, we fixed those small errors. What was I working on? Right, precise sniffer. I want to probably change all those colors there too. But like, if I get this, if I get a clownfish now, yeah, it spawned with no no abilities. But if I catch this one, it spawned with a level 3. Right. But that's probably because yeah, these chances are way off. Wait, did I just get a lucky in a 115? Oh god, that's a lot of bubbles. Wait. Let me catch another one. Yeah, it should be level 1s because a level 3 is like very rare chance, I'd say. 1 in 15 actually. Okay, now let me fix the coloring. So when on your nest you click on a fish, it just doesn't change the coloring. So I think here, where is this? In fish info GUI, in fish in full frame and wild fish in full frame. So here, whenever we open up the traits, I need to change the colors of fish trait holder. Wait. I think I have it as a copy GUI. Yeah, fish trait display holder. I have 4 things I need to color. So the new fish trait display can dot background color 3 equals, do we have the color? Yeah, we have fish info dot no dot trait. I think I need to do trait dot index primary color. Then I need to do the same with dot fish trait frame. Then I need to do secondary colors on trait name and trait level. All right. So now I think those should set. Those colors should be set. So if I get this guy, I just need to like get lucky with a 50-50. I got unlucky. Alright. Oh, this one. You're very fast, clownfish. Oh my god, unlucky again. This is what happens when it's a 50-50% chance. Again. I lost 3 50-50s in a row. Like, it's not that rare. 4! Clownfish. Can't be that difficult to like get a bit lucky for an ability. Finally. Right, this is colored. Now for the salmon, should also be colored. What? It's not colored. Oh, it's only colored when you click on it. Right, so need to add the same thing for the wild. Just add wild. In front and it'll be fine. Right, now it's gonna work. Salmon fish. That's what I need, a salmon fish. Yeah, now it shows up here with the colors. Also, music is kind of loud. Just now realized that. I'm pretty sure. Alright. And yeah, if we click on it, it also shows up with the color now. Great. So what else did I want to do again? Kind of forgot already. What did I else plan to do? Alright, we still haven't added this fully, right? I need to fix up the randomness for the clownfish ability. So it's a 1 in 2 chance that it's gonna have that ability. Then it's a full chance to have level 1. Then I'll have a 50% chance to have that, and then a 25% chance to have a level 3. I'll do that for now. I should make the chances appear. In the index, at least. Oh my god, my squeaky chair. So right here where we have upgrade tree description, no. That's upgrade tree things. right here, or with the indexes. So here for all the traits, if it has higher than 1, then it goes through all the abilities. And then where we set the text, okay. Okay, let's see. I think I want to try. I might just add, like, in brackets, 100% to show that it's like, let's say 100% chance that it's gonna be for this ability. It's 100% chance. Then for this, 50% chance that it's gonna have this ability. I mean, I could just do 1 in 1, or how did I show it? Oh, I joined into this game. Kind of broke. I need to join into BGI to see how I showed the chances. Did I do 1 in 1? I think that's how I just did it. B game incremental. Right. Joining into this game after a long time of not joining. Waiting for an available server. I made this game like a year and a half ago? Yeah, that's crazy how long ago that was already. A year and a half. Okay, so the chances are shown in 1 in 100, 1 in 1. Okay, 1 in 1, let's say. Then this I can do 1 in 3. This 1 in 1. 1 in 2. 1 in 4. Might change up all of these a bit later. But this is basically just to show the chances. Oh wow, I really hate how it cuts off here. Having it be a percentage, I think it's gonna be better. Even though I kind of do like the 1 in 1, 1 in 2, 1 in 4, but percentages are just probably easier to understand. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I might turn it into percentages then. So for example, this can be 50%. Wait, no, that's max level. The chance. Okay, I need to reposition all these things, I feel like. I'll have name and description next to each other as always. And I'll probably have the colors at the bottom. Then it can go chance, max level, name. So I'll just set chance to 50%. So it's gonna be 50%. Then I'll set, no, this will be 100%, right? For testing. Then I'll set this to 50, which means it will be 50%. Then this will be 100%. Then this 50% and 25%. Yeah, percent, okay. And now where we do this randomness, I should just easily be able to divide this number by 100, and then we'll get the number we need. Same here. $100 divided by this amount. All right. I'm looking at my formula. 3-hour stream, how is it going? 6 likes on the development stream is a new record for real. No, I've gotten a lot more actually. Okay, so now in theory, it shows 100%, 50%, 100%, 50%, 25%. You can barely see those once again, but nothing I can do about it. The screen will be bigger and maybe more readable. We'll have to test all of this on mobile. What are you doing? I'm testing the chances out. I'm pretty much, I guess, gonna be done with the base, with like setting up all the GUI for fish traits and basically the randomness of them appearing. That's what I've been working on for the past while. So example, salmon fish ability has a 100% chance to get the precise sniffer for now. Of course, that's for now. And right now it should spawn with the, it spawns with level 1, right? Because there's no more levels, only the one level. So I'm also gonna make a new GUI. I'm probably gonna do that today too. Different GUI if it only has one level. Then for the clownfish has a 50% chance to have the coral ability. Right now too, subject to change. So for example, orange coral, right now I got lucky, but I got unlucky with getting a high level. So it's a 50% chance to get a level 2 and then a 20% chance to get a level 3. So yeah, I've just been working with chances mostly. Also, I got this to float up. But yeah, I wanna probably as one last thing for today. I'll make, if it's like a thing that only has one level, so it can either be there or not be there. One second, BRB. Alright, I'm back. I'm watching on 2 phones so I get double the ads. Why are you watching on 2 phones? Leo. Okay. So right, I'll make a new UI, which I think fish traits. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in fish traits UI. So fish trait display holder, and then fish trait display. I'll probably just remove holder, and then I'll name one level 1, and basically just change just remove the level from it, and then put the name to be 0.5.5 size, and then size here can be 0.92. Alright, and now if I go into here, Fish trait. Wait, not this. Right, where we set things. So new fish trait display. So I need to do some extra things here. I think I need to do if trait dot level. No, I need to check because the level might be 1, right? But that doesn't mean that it can't have more levels. So I need to check max level. That means I need to go into wild fish info and then trait dot index, and then we want to check for max level equals 1. Then I'm gonna do new fish trait display local, and then if it's 1, then I'll do copy GUI dot fish trait GUI dot fish level trait display level 1, and then else we're gonna want to get a normal one, so without level 1. And then if it is more than level 1, then I mean, either way we want to set the parent, but then I also want to set the level here and the level color, and here I should be able to just set those normally. Why is this error? Oh, because these are local. Right. Now I think, I forgot to change it for the other thing. Because I have 2 of them. One here and one here. So basically just need to remove the wild off of this stuff. And then the parent to remove wild. I don't think there's any more wild. Yeah, that should set differently based on if it has a higher max level. Alright, let's catch a salmon fish first of all. Right. Precise sniffer, yeah. It just has that there as a thing, because it doesn't have a level, max level. I mean, yeah, max level. And then if we catch a clownfish, Okay, it's spawned with no trait. Okay. Alright, yeah, it's spawned with level 1, so it just says orange coral. Great. Isn't that just amazing? Alright. Yeah, everything's working. As intended. I mean, the precise sniffer ability kinda doesn't work right now. We can finish on that next stream. But I made the adding a new trait way easier. So next time that we add a new trait, doesn't matter if it's on a new fish or an old fish, it's gonna be a lot easier. And honestly, I'm feeling like I'm probably gonna be streaming tomorrow, so I guess we'll do that tomorrow. We only got like 3 more days left until the next recap, so hopefully we can make some new models too, since I've only really been working on functionally things and GUI. So yeah, hopefully we get to make like maybe a new nest here. I was thinking working a bit more on this skill tree thing, but yeah, I think that will be it for today's stream. Yeah, today went pretty well, I'd say. We got a bunch done. Mostly worked on trade system, but yeah. Next time, yeah, I'm running out of words to say, really. But yeah, next time, gonna probably work on more traits, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see what I have planned for tomorrow or next stream. If I don't stream tomorrow, no promises. But yeah, that's been me, Nugget, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Stay in fact, you don't need to take it back.